Alright, welcome back guys, back to the channel. Wearing the same shirt. Why? Because this video was made within the same day, so don't get at me. Don't get at me. In last week's video, we unboxed my Corsa Extremes for the C7 Corvette. Definitely different than the original exhaust that was sent to me. Like I said, there's nothing bad on Corsa's part. It happens, it was a mistake. I'm just glad to have the right part here now. I kind of do wish I could have got a Corvette with active exhaust, because obviously that would have worked out. But it is more of a simplistic or a simpler setup than it was if it did have active exhaust. That was a lot of going back and forth. So can't wait to get that in the car. But I guess technically the first part that's gonna go in the car in conjunction to where it's gonna come out of the car are my long tube headers. So let's get into that. Oh, welcome back to the channel if I didn't say that already. Now these bad boys took almost, well, technically they're ahead of schedule. They're supposed to have been ready in May. It's clearly not May, so you know, that worked out. They're almost 2 months ahead of schedule, I wanna say. Their original build time was about 10 to 12 weeks. These came here in about 5 weeks, so I'm super happy about that. Like I said, let's go ahead and crack it open. Okay, can't keep that up with one leg. It's cool, it's cool. Let's see this out. Oh snap, we cooking now. Ooh, they're so oily. Oh dude, that's beautiful. Oh dude, that's so dope. That is dope. I love that. I'm definitely popping my hood at car shows now. Dang, man. Wow. Those are my headers. Yeah. So, this is still me being, like I said, new to all this. Focus. And this is still me being new to all this, but I was told that as far as making power NA, it's best to get the, I guess, I don't know, the biggest, like if it's, go bigger than the 1/3/8. Is that what I have? Oh my God. Go bigger than the 1/7/8. Okay. Bigger than 1/7/8. So if I get too close, it won't focus. If I get right there, okay. Learn stuff. But the bigger you go, the better it is for NA. Again, don't quote me on that. And the smaller your setup is, like, I think this is probably the smallest you can get, the better it is for boost applications. So since I do plan on running supercharger eventually and or pro charger, this will probably in the long run work out best for me. Dude, so sick. That collector. Yeah. It's so well made, I love it. Never had headers before, that's crazy. That's crazy. Just getting curious, I'm about to say, okay, where's all the hardware? So I started pulling away at the other one. There we have it. I'm gonna lay that right there real quick. And pull out the other one. Oh yeah. Okay, what's inside of you? Instructions, ball and socket clamp. Cool. Okay, so I got it open. Well, sort of, hold up. All right. Nice. Okay. Cool. Okay. Alright. Yep. That's a bunch of stuff needed to make it work. Nice. Alright. So that just about does it as far as like what comes inside the Kooks long tube headers box. Like I said, this is the 1 7/8 by 3 inch Stainless steel long tube headers. These ran me about $1,400, but they do have a deal going on right now where I think you get like $200 off, so you can get this set up for about $1,200, I want to say. You do have a wait time. Like I said, these took about 5 weeks to get here. My catless X pipe took about 4 weeks. But they do let you know all that before you start buying stuff. Yeah. If you guys again have any questions, don't feel afraid to hit me up, and I'll try my best to answer them to the best of my ability, since this platform is still new to me. I think I do get most of it for the most part though. Like I said, this is the second part to the exhaust system. The next one will be my catless X pipe unboxing. So check in next week for that, and I'll catch y'all next time. Again, if you have any questions, hit me up. Remember, hold that dream.